Apples cost 2.50 euros per kilogram. Notice the units here. The unit of measurement of weight is kilograms and the currency is euros. Now we're going to look at the price of apples in dollars per pound. So we're going to change the units from euros to dollars and from kilograms to pounds. And here are the equations that we could use. So our first equation is 1.10 US dollars is 1 euro and 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So what we'll do is convert 2.50, let's write down euros per, so divided by the word per. This says that we have to divide by 1 kilogram. So this, the way we read this is 2.50 euros per 1 kilogram. So now we're going to change euros to dollars. So we need to cancel euros. We use this equation. So 1 euro is 1.10 US dollars. So let's make sure that we've cancelled. The units here, and now we have dollars. We're left with dollars in the numerator, so we've changed the unit from euros to dollars. Now we need to change the unit of weight from kilograms to pounds. We need to get rid of kilograms, so we have kilograms in the numerator and pounds, which is 2.2 pounds, in the denominator. So let's make sure that we've cancelled kilograms and we are left with pounds in the denominator. So this is 2.50. Let's make sure we have dollars in the numerator, times 1.10 divided by 2.2 pounds. So simplifying, we get 1.25 dollars per pound.